Jaundice at Home is a digital platform designed to support healthcare professionals. The Jaundice at Home project received funding from the European Innovation Council in the Horizon Europe programme. Jaundice at Home connects directly to users of the Picterus Jaundice Pro app by sending results in real time, allowing easy follow-up of newborns in a home setting. In this tutorial, we will take a look at the administrator role for the Jaundice at Home platform. As an administrator, you can invite and organise users that have access to your organisation on the Jaundice at Home platform. You have an overview of the organisation and can customise the Jaundice at Home platform according to your needs. You can log into the Jaundice at Home platform using your credentials at jaundicehome.com. First off, you need to log into the Jaundice at Home platform. You'll receive an invitation to join as an admin from Picterus. Follow the login instructions to access the Jaundice at Home platform using the registered email address. Once you log in, you'll see the admin's dashboard, which gives you a list overview of the users in your organisation. The Picterus scan balance is shown on the left-hand side. You can buy more scans from the Picterus shop or contact Picterus to set up a subscription for your organisation. The Settings button gives you access to customize the platform for all users in your organisation. Let's take a look at the options. In the Settings menu, you can customize the platform for your organisation. To make changes, click on the Edit icon on the top right. Features that can be adjusted are the bilirubin measurement unit that results are displayed in. Then we have the Configuration Status section. Alert threshold. This allows you to adjust the threshold for which a result will generate an automatic alert in the system. Results over this threshold will generate an alert. Patient data period in days shows the time duration that the newborn's data will be displayed in the platform. Use custom thresholds. This allows you to customize whether or not you have a custom threshold displayed on the graph of results. In the Threshold Status section, you can customize the safety margins that you want to be used. As standard in the Jaundice at Home platform, results are displayed against the American Academy of Pediatrics guidelines. But if you want to apply a custom threshold according to your own clinical guidelines, then you can do it here. The Doctor Safety Margin allows you to set a specific safety margin which is applied to the Picterus result. Let's take a look at how to invite a user to join your organisation. Click on the Invite User button, which you can find on the admin's dashboard. Fill out the form for the healthcare professional that you would like to join your organisation. Select their profession, enter their full name, email address, and if you'd like, you can also enter their phone number. Finally, select whether you would like to add the user as an admin or as a regular user. Pay attention to the warning messages here. Inviting a user as an admin will give them full admin rights to your organisation. Click the Send Invitation button when you're ready. The invited user will then receive an email instructing them how to log in to the Jaundice at Home platform. Once they've completed the registration, you'll see them appear as a user on the admin's dashboard. Finally, from an admin account, you can toggle between the admin view and the user's view. And you do this by clicking on the View as User button. This brings you to the user's dashboard, where you can see newborn profiles and their results. You can see more about this part of the platform in the Jaundice at Home tutorial video for users. To switch back to the admin view, you can press the View as Org button. Thanks for listening.